7, 8, 9, 10. Kesini dan 2 Pak. Jadi kan dulu. Yang sebelahnya itu. Jadi 1, 2. Yang semua. Halo sama. Gampang sekali. Angkat semua sudah. 2, 3, 4, 8. Masuk bersama. Saat dulu Bapak. Oke, habis itu begini, kayak gitu.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever.
Hari ini jadi ini sekarang lagi apa? Tadi
lagi latihan aksi kami pada saat kita.
I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone. I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone. It's so cold outside. It's so cold. Break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way even when I'm feeling down. I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to...
Gimana Pak melihat ini Pak?
Jadi kita melihat bahwa anak-anak ini susah diatur Pak. Dia sebagian duluan untuk naik tangan, turun tangan.
Ini Kak, dan kasih ingat Kak ini Kak. Kau udah kasih ingat Kak. Ini Kak, dan kasih ingat Kak. Makan acara.
Oke guys, untuk hari ini untuk blockingan dance angkatannya Unibos 2020 itu untuk hari ini selesai. Nanti bagaimana perkembangannya disaksikan di